If you're a software developer looking for your first role and you've been applying to hundreds of jobs but no luck, I think it's time for you to move on and channel your energy to something else, and that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. And also, if you currently have a job as a software developer, this also applies to you, so you might want to keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Levi and I'm a software developer and I make videos about tech. So if that interests you, please consider subscribing. And before I say anything else, I just want to let you all know that every opinion I share in this video is regarding the tech job market in the US. That being said, the tech job market is currently dog shit, and I'm sorry to say, but it's not getting better anytime soon. The job market sucks. Tech is no longer that go-to career like it used to be. Nowadays, 1 out of every 10 people you meet is either a software developer looking for their first role or they're learning how to code. The number of applicants has skyrocketed over the past few years, and it's only increasing exponentially. I've personally seen listings on LinkedIn receive over 2,000 applicants within 2 hours of being posted. Now, think about this. What are your chances of being the one person that gets the job out of 2,000 plus applicants? Very little to none. Getting a job at a software development company isn't the only way to earn a living or become a successful developer. It's just the most common way. Sadly, most people fail to explore other means of earning a living as a software developer. For example, creating your own SaaS, which means software as a service. And that's what we're going to be focusing on in this video. Over the past 3 years, I've applied to over 5,000 jobs on LinkedIn. And out of those 5,000 applications, I only had 10 interviews. Those applications cost me hundreds of hours tweaking my resume, writing cover letter upon cover letter, going through phone screens after phone screens, and preparing for interviews. I spent hundreds of hours practicing interview problems on LeetCode, only for me to still be in the same position like I was 3 years ago, with no job. And I thought to myself, what if I had spent those 3 years working on my current SaaS idea with all the knowledge I currently have? That SaaS could have been worth hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars by now. And to be very honest, between me and you, that's my biggest regret. And I'm making this video so you can avoid making that same mistake. Listen, if you just finished learning how to code, or you just ended your CS degree, or for example, you just graduated from a bootcamp, and you're currently stuck in that cycle of applying to hundreds of jobs weekly and being rejected, just take a moment and think about the time you're wasting. See, it's very important you start working on yourself, your own projects. There are thousands of tech problems that can be addressed with the SaaS idea. And if you're part of those people that believe that every tech problem already has a solution, then I'm afraid you're lagging behind by a lot. There will always be some kind of solution to any tech problem you can think of. Your role as a developer is to create a better solution. For instance, consider your current job. Are there any processes that could be made more efficient with the custom software? If there is, take the initiative to develop that software as a SaaS product and sell it back to your company. I personally know many developers that have done this exact thing and created recurring income for themselves. The key is to find inefficiencies around you and create innovative solutions that add value. I know building a SaaS can be hard sometimes, but from my experience, here are 4 quick tips to ensure a smooth release of your SaaS application. First, you need to identify a problem that you would like to solve. Do a very deep research about that problem. Preferably, speak to people who are directly affected by that problem and see what they want that will give them a better experience. Using my earlier example, your job, speak to your coworkers and see how they feel about that specific problem and what they wish can be done. Once you've identified and understood the problem, develop a solution. You don't need to build a massive product right away. Start with an MVP, a minimum viable product that addresses the core problem. Once you have a solution that addresses the core problem, you need to start building a network of developers and clients that can use your application and give you feedback. You can have your coworkers test out or use the application and give you feedback. Once your application starts receiving feedback, you can start iterating that application based on the feedback you've received. Also, don't just build and expect users to come. Actively market your products through social media, blogs, and communities as well. Some people think that your SaaS has to solve some kind of massive tech problem for it to be valuable. That is absolutely false. Your SaaS can be as simple as an application that helps people wake up. Yes, an alarm. But now you can tweak it and add an automation that runs when the user stops the alarm. You can integrate the alarm with the user's smart home app to make the lights come on or turn on the coffee machine, for example. You know what? Thinking about it now, I don't even think there's an app like that exists. If there is, I haven't seen one. So I think I just gave you guys a project idea. Hey guys, let me know what you guys think about that project. I feel like that's a very cool project to build. But my whole point is that the problems you can solve are endless. Now, let me make this clear. I'm not here advocating for you all to stop applying for jobs. Not at all. keep applying for your jobs, but channel more energy into building something on the side for yourself. Because to be honest, that has a higher probability of yielding something in the future. And I know some of you guys might see this as a very foolish move, but believe me, it is not. Even developers who currently have jobs are working on a SaaS idea or startup ideas because they know their roles aren't secure. They can get laid off at any time, any day without notice. But one thing that is secure is what they have built for themselves. So guys, start working on your own project, identify problems, create solutions, and build something amazing. And honestly, you never know where it might lead. I really hope you guys found this helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to leave this video a like, share, and also subscribe. We're currently on a journey to 10,000 subscribers, so please do your part by hitting that subscribe button. And also, if you wish to support the channel, there will be a link in the description for you to do that. Thank you guys for sticking around, and I'll see you all in my next video.